Happy Thursday to you, everybody. Meteorologist Matt Wintz, Matt's Morning Minute. We've got a cold front that's still west of Chicago this morning. All this rain has kind of overrun where the front is, so that's kind of fading right now. But we'll see more redevelopment this afternoon along and ahead of that front. So here we go. We'll take you through time. Notice the showers and thunderstorms developing. Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, back towards southern Indiana. We'll stay dry up towards Wisconsin and northern Indiana and Michigan as we go throughout the day. Not a bad day. And then our next system that we're tracking, another area of low pressure. This front will stall south. We'll get this other wave of low pressure along it, and this will bring a slug of rain. The big question is, how far north does this moisture make it? Notice tomorrow afternoon, it's really central Indiana, and then it slides into Ohio, and it doesn't look like it's going to make it up towards Lake Michigan or areas of Lake Erie. Some of the models do bring it that far north, though. So best chance of rain is going to be south. We'll keep the north shores dry, and then overall, we'll be dealing with, obviously, a quieter day on Saturday. Behind that, the big story next week, above average out east. It's going to get hot and humid, below average with even some mountain snow in the month of July out west. That's going to feel nice by the time we get this heat and humidity here.